Have you ever been in a situation where you have a single PDF file but different people need it in different formats? Word, PowerPoint, image, Excel, and more. Well, there is a simple way to convert it into all these formats easily. Download and install Systweak PDF Editor on your Windows PC. You will find the download link in the description below. Open the software and choose the file you want to convert. At the top, click on Convert tab. Now select Convert to. This will show you all the formats. You can change your PDF file into Word, Excel, image, etc. Select the format as per your need. Let's choose PDF to Word from the list. Make sure the output format says Word. Now select the folder where you want to save the converted file. Now hit the Convert to button. And you are done. Your PDF is now converted into a Word document and saved in the folder you selected. You can also convert multiple PDFs into a different format at once. Go back and click on the Convert tab at the top, select Batch Process, then click on Batch Convert. Drag and drop all the PDF files you want to convert into the window. Under Output Format, choose Word. With the folder where you want to save the converted files, click the Convert to button. And that's it. The tool will quickly convert all your PDFs into Word documents in one go. If you found this video helpful, do like and share, and for more helpful tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.